What's up, guys? Joe from the AZ Westside Wheelers here. Today we are with one of our favorites, James Adams from Adams Driveshafts. You guys all know him because we've probably shown you about 8 of them going into our crew. They're the only drive shaft we recommend, and they have the best customer service. These guys have taken care of us for years and years. They did the re-gear on Monstro. I can't say enough good about them. James, thanks for doing an interview with us again.
No problem at all.
Why don't you tell us a little bit about what you got new this year?
Awesome. Well, thanks for stopping by the booth.
Absolutely.
We come out with our own slip yokes, forged, made here in the U.S.
Okay.
We've taken it where we've made dessert, we've inset it, so that way the rocks can't knock it off. Where normally you would have something like that.
We don't smash into rocks.
No, not at all.
Absolutely. That's a great idea right there to keep it. I mean, we are constantly smashing. That's one of the lower hanging parts.
Right.
It's one of the strongest parts we've got from you guys.
Absolutely.
We don't have any issues with it, but that right there is just making it better.
Yep.
That's great.
Then we come out with the new H yoke.
Okay.
Remember that H yoke right
Yep.
there? This is what you would normally get right here.
Okay.
It's all cast.
Right.
And rough. So then we come out with this one that's forged, and then we machine it, so it takes a lot less weight.
Right. Awesome.
Strong as can be, and we made more angle in it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gives you a little bit more articulation.
Starts out like this.
Oh, wow.
Comes out like that, just like this.
Right.
Starts out like that.
Right.
Pick that up.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. There is a massive difference right there.
Yeah.
No,
and
that's great.
Have our own stubs, so
you guys are pretty much trying to manufacture your own stuff now.
Yeah, absolutely. Like our yokes right here.
Right.
All forged, lifetime warranty.
Awesome.
Yeah. Yep.
Best parts in the business.
Good stuff.
Well, thank you for the interview, James. We
Thanks for
appreciate
stopping
you.
by. I appreciate you.
You guys.
Thanks for recommending us.
Like I've always said, go check out Adams Driveshaft. If you want a great quality drive shaft, they also do service. They've done re-gears and things of that nature. These guys are the best. Go check them out.